Hi everyone, this is Linda. Today we'll be learning a new song called Mary Had a Little Lamb. Or in this music it has Merrily We Roll Along, but it's the same tune as Mary Had a Little Lamb. It is on D string, which is daddy string or red string. It's a D string and it starts with the second finger. The rhythm is T, 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 ta. And look at this. I'm going to be singing and then playing my left hand at the same time. Like this. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. So we have 2, go down to 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So we start with the 2 fingers, we take off 1 at a time and then add 1 at a time. 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2. Or mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Or fis, e, d, e, fis, fis, fis. And then let's have a look at next to 2 bars. It goes re, re, re. So we have T, T, ta here. And then we have 2 on D string. And then notice the next one is on A string, open string. So let's put the 4 bars together. It goes like this. 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, A, A. I'll play that as well. The next line is exactly the same as the beginning of the song. And the ending is different. We have re, re, mi, re, do. So we have 2 re, 2 e, e, fis, e, d. Like this. Now this time I'll play 1 bar, I'll let you play 1 bar, and then I'll play another bar, and I'll let you play 1 more bar. And let's see what we can do that in the first top line. Ready? I go first. Ready? So I place my 2 fingers and go. And can you try? Ready? And I'll play next bar. Your turn. And next bar, 1. Now play, ready, go. And then next bar, we have 2, and then go to A string. And then the next line, I'll play all through first 4 bars. And notice the last bar has 2 notes stacked on top of each other, and that's called double stops. And that's when we have a bow touching both strings together, D and A together. So I'll angle my bow really well so that I can have D and A string, both strings, sounding at the same time. Like this. I'll play from the beginning to the end slowly for you, and let's see whether you can follow it together after practicing your bar separately. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Enjoy practicing your Mary Had a Little Lamb, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye!